Hello, I'm Professor Yung from the HIMARS Braintech. I'm specializing in brain redevelopment of the brains of all ages. Nowadays, COVID-19 is a new challenge to human intelligence. However, new challenges always bring about new opportunities. In order to explore the new opportunities, we need to learn the necessary brain technology to wire accurately and rapidly to rescue the damages the viruses make upon our brain wiring. Although the virus is to attack human brain architecture, which is the original brain wiring, the virus did help to remove all previous problems of the brain overnight, because we have now more rooms in the brain to build new networks. Hopefully, by using HIMARS, we can correct human brain errors without the necessity to remove the inefficient networks mistakenly installed in previous brain development. Now it can be a new windows of opportunities or even a new window of threats, depending on whether the HIMARS is used in repairing your brain. Okay? The COVID-19 is an AI intelligent attack on your brain. So you need a high speed as well as high accuracy HIMARS brain repairing system in order to counter with the new virus. However, if we counter it with the new HIMARS technology, it could be a brand new evolutionary jump of brains which can be started if the HIMARS system is applied to it. And so, in this way, it provides more opportunities for the development of our brain. Now, what we can do to make people survive? You have to learn the HIMARS brain rewiring system and supply yourself with the best health supplements. And finally, you start with the necessary HIMARS learning system in order to prove that you can perform better with your new brain. All the brain fog symptoms can be terminated, and then all your brain problems can be corrected with the HIMARS. You can repair your brain once and for all with the HIMARS, and all your previous chronic illnesses, in particular with the elderly, can be permanently cured. The brain wiring movie provided by Cambridge University showed that the wiring of the brain using high precision and high speed wiring, called the HIMARS, is the most powerful defense against brain attacks. HIMARS is then the ultimate solution against long COVID by making the high precision wiring of your brain according to the attack of the viruses, and your brain will be regenerated. While human brains can be reinstalled with the multiple intelligence It means that your brain will be more powerful than before with new capacities. If you are interested in providing support to our education system, which can help to improve the brains of our future generations, we hope that you can register to our channel and give a like to our YouTube. And our telephone, you can read from here, 852-5282-1399 of Hong Kong. Okay, so you can phone us and give us your response to this new educational mission.